Hello, it's Hogmanay, New Year's Eve, and this is either a plum or a cherry. Well, it's some kind of stone fruit that is a member of the Prunus family that we have inherited here on our new small holding. And you can see it's a bit neglected. Now, in the UK, the accepted advice is that you prune stone fruit in May to avoid silverleaf disease. However, here in France, they prune in November and December. So there's obviously not a problem with silverleaf here, because commercially they do it all over the place in the south of France on the plum and cherry trees. So I'm going to give it a go. You can see this has got a rabbit guard on it. Now, I've never seen a rabbit here, but we do have deer who come into this area of the garden. This is just at the side of my polytunnel. And that's not my polytunnel. That's my polytunnel. But we're also open to the woods. So I've got to have some kind of protection. However, we will look at that. I have found a video that I'm going to follow for pruning because I think this may be a cherry. I'm not an expert on pruning cherries or stone fruit, so basically I'm going to do the 3Ds, which is take out the disease, dead and dying, and I'm just going to shape it so it's an open goblet shape. So there is a bit where there are branches crossing and going into the middle. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll come back to you at the end. Okay, this is the after video of the pruning of what I think is a cherry. Now, I've taken the tree guard off, which has revealed a couple of suckers which have now been removed, and also that the bark has been damaged by deer, and you can see it's been stripped off at some point, but it hasn't gone all the way around. So the bark is the part of the tree that carries the xylem and phloem up and down the tree. So as long as it hasn't gone all the way around, then the tree should survive, and this one has. You can see there's more deer damage here on this branch. So I'm going to ask John to do a guard that will protect the tree, a triangular guard of posts and net that will protect the tree from any further damage. So pruning, taking out the crossing branches, and also, I mean, giving this quite a hard prune to leave 4 main branches, which is making an open goblet shape, and then at the tips I've just shortened them back a little bit to some fruiting buds, and you can tell the fruiting buds, which are slightly fatter from the leaf buds. So fruiting buds, here's my finger, there we go, fruiting buds, and the leaf buds are a lot smaller. So we'll see what happens in the spring. It might give us a clue as to what this is. It could be cherry, plum, peach, nectarine, mirabelle, who knows, but we'll see. The blossom colour might give us a clue, and then you never know, we might get fruit on it.